Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
My name is Tiwonge from Stockbrokers Zambia Limited, and I'm pleased to present the weekly stock exchange news and market update for the week ended Friday, 3rd October 2025. Luse Stock Market Index Performance. In the trading week ended 3rd October 2025, the Luse All-Share Index closed at 25,277 points. On a year-to-date basis, the Luse Index is up 60.14% in kwacha terms and up 87.55% in USD terms. In comparison with other African stock markets, the South African JSE All-Share Index is up 6.84%, whilst the Nairobi All-Share Index is up 2.6%. Gainers and losers in the week ended 3rd October 2025. On gainers, Zambia gained 44 ngwe to close at 2 kwacha 9 ngwe. ZCCMIH gained 2 kwacha 1 ngwe to close at 162 kwacha 1 ngwe. Zambia Sugar gained 1 kwacha 71 ngwe to close at 60 kwacha. Zambia gained 21 ngwe to close at 55 kwacha 21 ngwe. On losers, CC lost 28 ngwe to close at 23 kwacha 96 ngwe. Standard Chartered Bank lost 1 ngwe to close at 2 kwacha 60 ngwe. Zafico lost 3 ngwe to close at 3 kwacha 44 ngwe. Zanaco lost 1 ngwe to close at 6 kwacha 16 ngwe. Turnover and market activity. Total trading turnover in the Luse in the week was 14,150,273 kwacha, of which Chilanga contributed 40%, and the market recorded a total of 1,896 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. Cautionary announcements.
The following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Madison Financial Services, CEC Africa, ZCCMIH, Zambia, Standard Chartered Bank, CEC PLC, and REES. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia Limited website at www.sbz.com.zm. Other market announcements. The following companies have issued market announcements that can be accessed on the Luse Stock Exchange News Service. ZCCMIH has invested in Mamba Solar Energy Limited. ZCCMIH will be holding an EGM on the 31st of October 2025 at Intercontinental Hotel at 10 hours. ZCCMIH will be hosting a shareholder open day on 28th October 2025 at Mulungushi Conference Center from 10 hours to 12 hours. And Madison has released results of the AGM held on the 22nd of August 2025. The full announcements can be accessed on the Stockbrokers website at www.sbz.com.zm. Buy and sell positions in the market. The following bids have been placed in the market should you wish to sell your shares. ZCCMIH 10,000 shares at 156 kwacha 6 ngwe. Zambia Sugar 10,000 shares at 60 kwacha. AECI 3,000 shares at 100 kwacha. The following offers are currently for sale on the market should you wish to make a purchase. Zanaco 2 million shares at 6 kwacha 17. CEC 12 million shares at 25 kwacha 59 ngwe. REES 20 million shares at 9 cents. Please email trading@sbz.com.zm for the full list of currently available offers and bids.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Today, we'll be looking at the benefits of investing in shares. To start with, when you're a shareholder, it implies that you are a part owner of that company. As a shareholder with an equity stake in that business, the investment return you earn depends on the success or failure of that company itself. Companies may pay dividends to shareholders or may prefer to reinvest profits for further growth. Let's take a look at a few benefits of investing in shares. Firstly, participation in the overall growth of the economy, and benefit from the upside or gains from the growth of the economy. So when a company decides to go public, investors can benefit by investing into that company through buying or selling shares, enabling that company to raise capital and hence providing growth prospects in the economy at large. Secondly, you are a part owner of a company as a shareholder. Thirdly, you have an investment which provides you with liquidity as and when required. As an investor, you want to be able to easily purchase shares on the stock market once your funds have been provided, or easily sell off your shares when you need those funds, hence the aspect of liquidity. Another benefit is through the receipt of dividends, either as income or reinvestment to buy more shares. And fifthly, you have the ability to vote on company decisions. Let's take a look at 3 rights to vote that an investor or shareholder has. Firstly, you have the right to vote at an AGM. So at an AGM, there are various matters that are required for shareholder approval. So as a shareholder, you can vote on those matters. Secondly, you have the right to vote on any dividends declared. So you can either approve or disapprove of the dividend declared. And thirdly, you have the right to share capital appreciation or capital growth. Once the share price has increased in the company that you've invested in, you have the right to sell off those shares and benefit on that growth. You also have the benefit of participating in a rights issue, and lastly, the benefit from bonus issues. So what are bonus issues? This is the free distribution of shares by the company to existing shareholders. So a company might decide not to pay out dividends but distribute additional shares. This hence increases the number of shares you have and the value of those shares. There you have it. There are various benefits of investing in the stock market. Please do give us a call and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange by buying or selling shares or government bonds. Have a successful investment week.
Investors should be cautioned that share prices may rise or fall, and therefore should always seek professional advice before investing in shares.
Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.